And I'm waiting for a student to start a teacher-student meeting, so I thought I would record a short video going over how I approach Xordle. For those not familiar with Xordle, it's like Wordle, so I guess it's pronounced Xordle. But you're trying to guess two words simultaneously, and the clues, the green and the yellow, still indicate letters in the correct place or letters in the incorrect place, but you don't know which of the two words it belongs to. So you kind of have to get up to 10 letters and figure out what the two words are. All right, so I'm going to start by choosing a word that uses the S and the A in a different location and goes fishing for some other letters. How about, let's go, can we do sonar? Yeah, if I can get this to type, come on, let's cooperate. So that's good. Let's try that and see if that helps. Okay, we got the S and the N, the R, A in a different place. I bet the A is in the second spot. So let's go on another hunting expedition and see if we can stick an A in there and maybe pick up a U or an I while we're at it. How about valid? I doubt the V is in there, but you never know. Okay, well, we did locate the the A. So now we have 6 letters. And we could possibly try to figure out one of the words, but let's go on another hunting expedition. All right, looking at the words that we have, UCKY, so something like that. So I don't know if Bucky is a word. I know it's a popular gas station. That's not a word. Might have to reuse a word. How about mucky? Okay, that is a word, and we have an M, but we don't have any of the other letters. Now we got 7 letters, and we could probably start figuring something out. Let's see. So we got in the first 2 letters, we have 4 consonant vowel combinations, S-E, S-A, M-E, and M-A, all of which could be followed by an N. So looks like we're still grasping at straws at this point. One of the tricks to this is to remember that 2 things. Number 1, the 2 words do not have any letters in common. So if one of the words has an N, the other one does not. And number 2, letters can be repeated. A lot of people get stuck on Wordle because they see a letter in a spot and forget that it can be used elsewhere within a word. All right, so let's see if we can go on another fishing expedition. I notice we're getting short on letters, so we're going to have to recycle some letters. But what kind of word can we make that uses at least 3, preferably 4 of the unused letters? I'm going to go with bough, B-O-U-G-H. And there's absolutely nothing there, which makes me suspect that we are dealing with some repeated letters here. Of the remaining letters, P and W are really the only ones that might show up. The other ones, J, Q, Z, X, are not as common. So can we get a word with some P and some W in it and also possibly recycle some of the letters that we're currently using? I'm wondering if the E or the A might be reused. The E is probably more likely to be reused than the A. So can we come up with a word that has a W, a P, and lots of E's in it? How about sweep? That'll see if we have an E in the 3rd or 4th positions. And we do. So the E is repeated and we picked up the W, making some pretty good progress. Now I know the W has to be in the 3rd or in the 5th spot because we already have 2 letters in the 1st spot, S and M, make your own joke there. 2 letters in the 2nd spot, E and A, and 2 letters in the 4th spot. So the W must be in the 3rd or the 5th slot. So let's see if we can figure out a word now. I bet sewer is one of them, because if we adopt W in the middle and the E's have to be in the same word because the words don't share letters, then sewer would fit nicely. I don't see anything else with the letters that we have, and we are correct. At this point, we can probably see that the last word is mania. Manic looks good, except C is already gone. And with the unused letters, none of them work, but the A could be repeated. Boom, and we got it just like that.